Hi again, welcome to the U Revolution. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Paddy Venner. Please do subscribe to the channel, have a visit to the website and see what ways I can possibly help you. I do private sessions and private coaching. If you can't do face-to-face because of distance, we can certainly do some Skype calls and I'd be happy to help. The title of my talk today really is, if you hate it, change it. You know, if you hate the color of the wall, change it. If you don't like the carpet, change it. If you don't like what you put on your sandwich, change it. You know, these are very simplistic answers, but I'm also aware that sometimes there are things that have happened in life that are simply consequences of choices that we've made. And if you don't like the way things are working out, then change the choices that brought about those consequences. I see it so often in my coaching and in various other things I'm involved in when it comes to people in relationships. And it staggers me how people can sort of limp from one broken, bad relationship to another. You know, broken people have broken relationships and sometimes they raise broken children. And so we have to be in a position where we say to ourselves, you know, I'm tired of the consequences that I'm constantly getting. So maybe I need to change the choices that I'm making. And that takes taking a little bit of a step back, reevaluating ourselves, asking ourselves, what do we actually want to get out of this? What do I want to get out of life? In one of my previous clips, which I hope you've had a look at, I talk about what are your non-negotiables? What are the things where you draw the line that you will not allow yourself to get into as far as relationships and other lifestyle choices are concerned? If you hate it, change it. All right, choice and consequence are inextricably linked, and every consequence is because of a choice that has been made. Very often, however, I do acknowledge the fact that we can be victims of the consequences of other people's choices. I do get that, and there are certain things that I do understand that we cannot just instantaneously change, but what we can do is we can change our reactions to them. There might be somebody that you work with that really just grinds your gears and you just cannot get along with them. What you can do is you can change your attitude towards that person and ask yourself, why are they the way they are? Are there certain things that have happened in their life that has brought them to that point to be the person that they are? But ultimately, when it comes to life choices, you are the pilot. You're the one that is sitting in the driver's seat. You are the one that's getting to make the choices. You choose what you want to wear every day. You choose your career choice. You go along a certain pathway. You actually get to choose the relationships that you're in. I'm not talking about family. I'm talking about peer group. I'm also just talking about our friendships. I'm talking about the relationships that we form that we expect to be life relationships. If something is not working for you, please change it. Because it's not going to suddenly just get better all by itself. You can bring about the changes. You're the one that is holding the steering wheel. Make the changes that you know you can make. Change little things at a time. Start with the baby steps. What are the small things in your life that you can manage, that you can change right now? And when you start to experience yourself as a life changer, you'll start to get the confidence to start to make the bigger calls. Now, this has just been a brief 3-minute chat. I can't cover this in any great depth in such a short space of time, but do make contact with me. I'd love to chat with you about this sort of thing, and do subscribe to the channel because this is a theme that I'd like to carry on through some of my forthcoming videos. Thank you so much. God bless, and we'll chat again soon.